Hi kids, hello everyone, how are you? Now open this content book, grade 1. Now students, open the page number 29. Open the page number 29. Write down the date. Today's date is 5/8/20. Okay students, now read the heading. My friend friend Shelly. Shelly. My friend Shelly. Okay. Now who's write the story? By Nick. Nick Adwards. Edwards. Nick Edwards. Okay student. Now student, in the last class we read a poem about Chinu's grandpa. Who loves Jinu's grandpa, and he loves it very much. उन्हें sweets बहुत पसंद थे. Now today we will read a poem about a girl named Shelly to find out what she liked to eat. Okay, now students, read the poem with me. I know my friend Shelly well. She is by the seashore. Underline the seashore, selling shells. My friend Shelly is not selfish. She always shares her dish of shellfish. Now underline the dish. Okay. Now next, but even more than shells and fish, veggies are her favorite dish. She cheers for radish and tomatoes. She won't eat chips but loves potatoes. She puts some spinach with some peas, and on top she will put some cheese. Shelly will grow tall and strong. She eats veggies all day long. Again we read the poem. Now write down the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay students, again read. I know my friend Shelly well. She is by the seashore selling shells. My friend Shelly is not selfish. She always shares her dish of shellfish. But even more than shells and fish, veggies are her favorite dish. Shelly का favorite dish क्या था? Veggies. What is the favorite dish of Shelly? Veggies. She cheers for radish and tomatoes. She won't eat chips but loves potato. उसे chips भी पसंद थे लेकिन but loves potatoes. उसे potatoes बहुत पसंद थे. She puts some spinach with some peas, and on top she will put some cheese. Shelly will grow tall and strong. She eats veggies all day long. Now students, okay, who's the poem about? Who's the poem about? What is the girl name? Shelly. The poem is about Shelly. What does she like to eat? क्या पसंद था उसे? She likes eating vegetables. Radish, tomatoes, potatoes. Okay, all veggies she likes. Okay, what will happen to Shelly if she eat vegetables all the day long? बताओ, what happens? She will grow tall and strong. आपको मम्मा कहती है ना वेजिटेबल्स खाया करो. वेजिटेबल खाने से हम क्या हो जाते हैं? स्ट्रॉन्ग बनते हैं और टॉल. ओके, अगर आप जंक फूड खाओगे तो आपके जो चीनूज ग्रैंडपा थे ना, उनके टीथ नहीं थे, वैसे आपके भी चले जाएंगे. तो ईट वेजिटेबल्स डेली. ईट जंक फूड ओनली डे 1. ओके. Now students, what are the rhyming words in the poem? Now tell me, what is the rhyming word in this poem? Write down. Underline. Well, shells, selfish, shellfish, fish, dish, tomatoes, potatoes, peas, cheese, strong, long. They all are rhyming words in this poem. Do you remember in the poem Chinu's grandpa? Yes, do you remember? Both the poems are. And what is the same about this poem and Chinu's grandpa? Both the poems are about one person and what he or she likes to eat. Now tell me. Grandpa likes to eat sweets. Grandpa को क्या पसंद था? Sweets. और शैली को क्या पसंद था? Vegetables. Okay. Now what is the difference? Now tell me what is the difference? Tell me beta. What is the difference between in two poems? Both the poems have rhyming words. दोनों ही poems में क्या वो है? Both the poems, every two lines rhyming each other, but rhyming words are different. ठीक है, rhyming words हैं दोनों में, लेकिन दोनों में rhyming words क्या हैं? Different है. Okay. Now next question. What will happen if you eat sweets all the time like Chinu's grandpa? अगर आप सारा टाइम चीनूस ग्रैंडपा की तरह स्वीट्स खाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? चीनूस ग्रैंडपा had sweets all the day and so he had no teeth. If we eat sweets all the time, he can be harmful for our teeth. सारे teeth खराब हो जाएंगे. What will happen if you eat vegetables all the time like शैली? और अगर आप शैली की तरह vegetables खाएंगे तो क्या होगा? It can be if we eat lots of vegetable, we will stay healthy and strong. It's that clear, students? Now read this poem at home and learn this poem. Learn rhyming words. Okay. Now students, open your workbook. Volume 1, Grade 1, Block 5, S2. Okay. Write down the date. Today's date is 5/8/20. CW. S2. MY, my, FRIEND, friend, SHELLY, Shelly. My friend Shelly. Okay. Now read the heading. WRIDE, write. ABOUT, about the poem My Friend Shelly. Okay. Now look at this picture. Which picture is this? Chinu's grandpa. The poem is about the Chinu's grandpa. And what does the grandpa like? Chinu's grandpa likes sweets. उनको बहुत पसंद थे. And look at this picture. The poem is about Shelly. And look here. What Shelly likes? Shelly likes veggies. The poem is about SHELLY. Shelly. Okay. And Shelly likes, write down VEGGIES. Veggies. Now next. Words that rhyme in the poem are. Grandpa के poems में कौन कौन से rhyming words थे? Sweets, beets, lunch, munch, two, tall, all. And words that rhyming in the poem are. And my friend Shelly की rhyming words में you write yourself. Okay. Write down. Look at the book and write down yourself. But ma'am is right. Well, shell, SELFISH, fish. Selfish or SHELLFISH, shellfish. Dish, fish. TOMATO, tomato. POTATO, potato. Okay. Now next question. What is the SAME same in the two poems? Now tell me what are the same thing in both poems? The same things are both the poems are about food. उसमें स्वीट्स थे, इसमें वेजिस थी. दोनों में फूड था. तो both the poems are about food. What is DIFFERENT different in the two poems? And what are the difference in the both poems? Shelly likes veggies and grandpa likes sweets. What are the difference between two poems? Shelly likes veggies and grandpa likes sweets. Okay. Do it proper handwriting at home. Bye. See you again. Next video.